I have been playing Animal Crossing pretty much since I woke up, and it's 1 p.m. now. It's just because I was so busy like packing orders and making stickers and stuff the past 2 days that, I mean, even the past week I was preparing really intensely for the shop update, and it was my last week of the semester, so this past week was just really busy for me. And now that I'm finally done with the semester, I don't have to do any more schoolwork until July when I start my online class. I get orders here and there, but I am now caught up and I have products in stock and such. But yeah, I just haven't gotten to really sit down and play Animal Crossing for a long time. And my capture card actually is coming in today, which is what you use to record gameplay from your Switch. So that means that an island tour is coming very soon, and possibly other Animal Crossing videos. I wanted to do this before, but the capture card that I wanted actually sold out everywhere, so I was like, damn, I can't do that now. But I saw that it was back in stock and I ordered it, and it's coming in today, so yeah. My acrylic charms are here, and I love them. I love them so much. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but they're like glittery and they're double printed. But this is the front, and the little clasp is like a star. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna take pictures for this, and these will be up on my site this week. I am taking another set of orders to the postal office. This is my outfit today. My mask is in my bag, don't worry, I'm responsible. I haven't been recording much of what I've been doing because it's just been really repetitive, like printing and cutting stickers, packing orders, but I am just like restocking, kind of. I mean, it doesn't go out of stock on my site, but I'm just filling up again on stock because when I start to run low, I just like to refill it instead of it completely running out and then having to print out and cut a ton. So I'm doing that. I also bought much thicker cardstock for the thank you cards, and they're thick boys, but I'm really happy with how they look with this thicker cardstock. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm also printing extra prints because they started to run out, but yeah, I have just been doing that, doing my responsibilities with my shop. A lot of you have asked me about the Animal Crossing character packs, and I did run out of stock on those. Those were like the most popular item and they ran out pretty fast. And I made them limited stock because I want to go back and resketch all of the characters and kind of make them a little bit more stylized into my style because I feel like I've developed a little bit more. And I also want to come out with like 2 or 3 other sets of villagers so that I can have like a variety of villagers that people can choose from, and maybe their favorite villagers are in there. So yeah. So I wanted to show you guys the updated sticker sheets. I am absolutely in love. I finally figured out how to get the branding on there. I actually had a subscriber that commented how she does it, and I had seen that in other videos as well, and I just couldn't get it to work. But apparently, so listen up if you guys do this, using the Cricut design app mobilely, so on an iPad, for some reason does not work. You have to do it on the desktop, so that finally worked and I'm super excited. I am going to take the pictures tomorrow and update the sticker sheets tomorrow so that you guys can start buying these instead of the old version. Also, I finally made my little convenience store foods into jumbo stickers. I'm also going to make them into a print, like the full print. And these might have to wait until the next shop update, I'm not sure, but the next shop update is coming very soon because, as you guys saw, I am restocking the Animal Crossing packs. This is what the redesigned villagers look like. Some of you may not see like a big difference, but I see a big difference. I stylized them a little bit more, but I still wanted to keep them true to the original design because I feel like Animal Crossing characters are already so stylized, and if you're buying these because you like Animal Crossing. So yeah.